Welcome to Homipedia. Explore the harmonious fusion of modern architecture and nature in this captivating video tour of a small concrete house with an innovative contemporary garden design. Discover how this unique residence seamlessly integrates vertical gardens, drought-resistant plants, and artistic landscape features, creating a mesmerizing oasis of tranquility and sustainability. The foundation lies in the architectural blueprint. The small concrete house is designed with clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and a focus on functionality. Utilizing sustainable materials, the house is constructed to optimize space while allowing natural light to permeate through large windows and skylights, fostering a connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The garden design revolves around modern concepts, emphasizing the fusion of nature with contemporary living. Vertical gardens become a prominent feature, adorning the exterior walls of the house. These gardens not only add a striking visual appeal but also maximize space, creating a lush green backdrop that softens the concrete structure. Carefully selected drought-resistant plants play a pivotal role in the garden. Succulents, ornamental grasses, and native flora are chosen for their ability to thrive in arid conditions while adding texture and color to the landscape. Their strategic placement complements the overall design, enhancing the visual appeal while conserving water resources. To infuse artistic elements into the landscape, sculptures, unique pathways, and seating areas are integrated. These features add character and depth to the garden, inviting exploration and contemplation. The incorporation of water features like small ponds or cascading fountains further enhances the sensory experience, creating a tranquil atmosphere. sustainability is at the core of every aspect of the design. Rainwater harvesting systems are integrated into the house design, directing water to nourish the garden. Renewable energy sources such as solar panels power the house, promoting energy efficiency and reducing the ecological footprint. Join us on this visual journey as we delve into the intricate details of how this small concrete house with its contemporary garden design embodies modern living while embracing nature in an artful symphony.